This is Dr. Corey Moss on Looking Your Best. I'm really excited to talk about a brand new laser technology today. It's called Clear and Brilliant. And what makes it exciting is where it fits in our overall skincare program, the program for our patients. On the one end of the scale with lasers, we have ablative laser resurfacing, which I've talked a lot about. And with ablative laser resurfacing, we're actually purposefully injuring the skin surface, creating a wound, if you will, and that wound healing process is really what makes the skin better. So the laser is simply a tool to injure the skin surface. Along with ablative laser resurfacing, of course, comes time for healing or downtime, which we like to avoid if we can in patients who don't want that recovery period, who'd like to get better fast and still see some improvements. Historically, light facial peels have been the way that we've addressed that type of patient, someone that wants minimum downtime. And in addition, which I think is really important, wants better penetration and effectiveness of the skincare program that they're using at home with retinoids that we've talked about, the use of vitamin C cream, esterized vitamin C, or L-ascorbic acid. What's exciting about Clear and Brilliant system is that it's a non-ablative laser, meaning that there are no superficial wounds or minimal superficial injury, meaning a little redness. But we're creating little conduits by doing non-ablative laser, where we're actually creating a small conduit or little channel below the skin surface, which stimulates collagen regeneration, that's collagen neogenesis, which also creates a conduit or pathway for the delivery of our skincare products at home, and most importantly, stimulates another wound healing process without actually a wound happening. So that's where Clear and Brilliant is, and that's really for me an exciting area to talk about. We've had a number of different lasers that have come into this arena of non-ablative laser resurfacing. Some are fantastic, some offer very little benefit, and I want to take a few minutes just to talk to you about why I think the Clear and Brilliant system works for our patients and fits into that special niche where people don't want to have downtime, don't want to spend a lot of money, and want to see a good improvement in their skin color, tone, and quality. That's really what Clear and Brilliant is all about. Laser skin resurfacing, we know, is a technique we've used for many years, and using fractional laser with active and deep effects would be a way of minimizing the downtime to 4 or 5 days, where it used to be weeks to even months of recovery with lasers. And now we've gone a step further with Clear and Brilliant and having a no downtime, no recovery fractional laser resurfacing technique, which really is an excellent intermediary between light peels and then the deeper full laser resurfacing that we've talked about extensively. And the principle of this is that we're delivering laser energy to the deeper layers of the skin without injuring the skin surface, which can improve the tone, quality, radiance, and appearance of the skin, and in particular, skin pigment, and really is a great way of maintaining your skin without having any downtime. The system itself is brilliant in its design and using certain wavelengths of laser energy and a very simple and ergonomic system that both the providers as well as our patients like, where the hand pieces are designed to deliver energy, again, to the layers of skin below the stratum corneum, below that surface layer, and into the epidermis and dermis layers, and allow us to get the energy to stimulate collagen remodeling. This is done through a coordinated handpiece that allows for the delivery of energy in a pattern that allows very uniform delivery across the entire skin surface. We can do this across the face, the neck, the hands, chest, really anywhere on the body where we want to see skin improvement in tone, texture, quality, and pigment in particular. And as the device is applied across the surface, the provider gets the feedback that we're working at the right speed to provide the right density of little dots of thermal energy that cause some damage, just enough to stimulate the wound healing and remodeling phase. The second form of this, which is really just another hand piece, is the Permea system, which actually creates a little channel below the skin surface for the delivery of our skincare products. And I have my own design that we use of skincare products that really attack those unwanted pigmented areas and again stimulate collagen remodeling, collagen neogenesis, meaning the formation of new collagen, and more regular division of the cells, more regular surface texture, which evens and smooths the skin surface out. So the exciting part about this is it can be both a treatment and a maintenance therapy. It's one that consistently delivers a big improvement in the skin surface, as evidenced by a number of the studies that look at the tone, texture, and overall appearance of the skin, and improvements that are dramatically seen. In patients that have had as few as one treatment, we see big improvements in skin pigment, in the radiance of the skin, and both brown and red color can be improved. When we look at this, it can be really done in younger or older patients. And in fact, we see dramatic improvements even in patients that have difficult processes like melasma or the pigment discoloration associated with hormones. If you have any questions about this, don't hesitate to reach out, and we'll be happy to give you more information about the Clear and Brilliant non-ablative fractional laser resurfacing system. As always, it's my pleasure to talk about these new technologies and different ways of keeping yourself looking your best. This is Dr. Corey Moss.